Hey guys, welcome to day 40 of 100 Days of Code. Today is really exciting because we're going to be upgrading the project that we created in the last day to a fully fledged product. We're going to be building a company today, and this is part 2 of your Capstone project. Now, the first rule of Flight Club is you do not talk about Flight Club. So in part 1, we created our flight deal hunter for ourselves, and we only had a user base of 1. Now in this part 2, we're going to be leveling up the code so that we can start signing up users and send them an email with a notification of all the best flight deals. A little while ago, I discovered a company called Jack's Flight Club, and it's pretty simple. All you have to do is put in your email, and then they'll send you cheap flight deals. So any flight within the next 6 months that is a lot cheaper than it normally is, you'll get it through an email. And if you're like me, somebody who doesn't really care where they're going, just as long as they're getting a good deal, then these emails are pretty cool, right? They actually charge for this premium service in order to get an email with all of the latest deals and all of the best flight prices. Now, if you think about it, their service is essentially the same as what we've created using Python code. Maybe they'll have a larger Google spreadsheet with more destinations, but essentially it's pretty much the same. I want you to take a look at their website, Jack's Flight Club, and see how it works, and you can see that they've actually got a whole bunch of members. But this is essentially what we're going to replicate. By the end of today, we'll have a text-based way of getting our customers or users to join. So maybe you've got some friends and family who might want to use your flight club to get the best flight deals. Well, then all you have to do is point them to a link in Replit which contains your customer acquisition code, and then they get to enter in their name and email. And after a little bit of validation, we hit enter and we get added to a spreadsheet. In our spreadsheet, in another sheet called users, we'll see all of the details of our customer being added, and we're going to be using the SMTP module that we learned about a long time ago to email all of our users with the latest deals every day. So head over to the next lesson and get started by downloading the starting files.